Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Instapage branding components for landing pages, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Instapage account. Navigate to the dashboard to view your existing landing pages. Select the landing page you want to configure branding components for. In the Edit menu, locate the Settings tab. Click on the Settings tab to access various configuration options. Scroll down to find the Branding section. Here, you will see options for customizing your branding components. Select the Logo option to upload your brand's logo. Click on the Upload button to choose an image file from your computer. Make sure your logo is in a compatible format, such as PNG or JPEG. Once you've uploaded the logo, adjust its positioning as needed. Next, locate the Custom Domain settings within the Branding section. Enter your custom domain URL if you wish to use it for your landing page. Save the changes to ensure your custom domain is linked correctly. Now, look for the option to customize your favicon. Click on the Upload button next to the favicon option. Choose the image file for your favicon, ensuring it's a square image. After uploading, preview how it appears in the Browser tab. Next, find the Brand Colors section to set your brand's colors. You can customize the primary and secondary colors here. Choose colors that align with your brand identity. Make sure to click Save after selecting your colors. Now, review the font options for your landing page. Select fonts that represent your brand style. Adjust the font size and weights according to your preference. Once you have made all the necessary changes, navigate to the Preview mode. Review how all branding components look on your landing page. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking the Publish button. Confirm that all settings have been saved before leaving the page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.